Hey everyone, today I am going to talk about a project that is medicine reminder system. The goal of this system is to help people remember their medicine on time, especially useful for elderly people. The components are used is ESP32, OLED screen, RTC module or RGB LED, buzzer and button. First, we have to connect with ESP's Wi-Fi and also it hosts a web page. From this web page, the user can easily set their medicine schedule like the medicine name and time for each day of the week. Each day has 3 time slots for different medicine like morning, afternoon and night. When it's time to take a medicine, the device displays the medicine name on OLED screen. Also, web page shows the pop-up message. Buzzer will also start a beeping to alert the user. There is also a button for snoozing and taken the medicine status. If the user presses it for long time, it means they have taken the medicine. If they snooze 2 times, it means they don't take the medicine. And if it is snoozed it first and then press for long time, it means they first snoozed and then taken. There are 3 dots in the web page that shows the status of the medicine and it depends on the button's status. Also, we include RGB LED in the module that also shows indication you can take or not take the medicine. User have 3 times, morning, noon and night. We have a box like this. RGB LED shows blue color for the morning medicine, yellow for noon and pink for night. Now user have to connect with ESP's Wi-Fi network and after that have to connect with its IP and web page. You can show that Wi-Fi name is medicine reminder web. Connect with this network first and after with the web page. It takes some time for connection, so we'll wait for the connection of this Wi-Fi. Now it's connected and we have to connect with its IP showing like this. The web page of medicine reminder setup is here. Put a time according to user. I take a time randomly for testing. According to this time, buzzer will beeping and LED will on that time. Now you can show that next medicine name is printed on OLED screen. That is zinc C, and when it's time for 12:47, the buzzer will start beeping and LED will on that time. Now you can show the pop-up message on web page and LED is turning on for a blue color, means morning medicine, and I do a long press, it's taken and it's showing green color. In it's also web page shows a green dot for taken. Now you can show the next medicine name azithromycin on the OLED screen. On that time LED will turning on and its color is yellow because it's a noon and we set up that color yellow for noon time. Now you can show the pop-up message again on a web page and LED is turning on for yellow color. I do first time snooze. The alarm is re-trigger after some time. So alarm is re-trigger and I'll do a second time snooze. So it's means it's not taken the medicine and the web page also shows a red dot for not taken the medicine. Now third alarm is trigger on 12:49. LED will turn on that time and the color will be pink for the night medicine. you can show that third medicine is printed on OLED and the alarm is triggered and the LED is shown pink color. I do a first snooze and the alarm is re-triggered after some time, and I do a long press so that it will show a purple color. That means snooze and taken. Now you can show the color of the dots in the web page are different from others. You can also download a report of the medicine that you can taken or not taken, that shows the weekly report of the medicine status. Now you can show that in the report all the medicine shows the not taken except the Friday. Friday shows the taken, not taken and snooze plus taken.